So I just got a very frustrated email from one of my clients talking about his exact words. How the hell do you meditate for more than 20 minutes? I can't even do it for seconds without something from my childhood popping up and straying me away. Let's tackle this right now. That's good. You want that to happen. You want that. That is what the purpose of meditation is for. We want to tackle these head on. I believe in integration. Integrating these parts of ourselves, which we've denied over time and time again. Integrate them. Just know that which you think happened to you didn't happen in the past. The past and the future do not exist. There is only now. That was just a different version of you on a different timeline. Look at it. Be aware of it. Allow it to be without dragging you away emotionally. That is the key to tackling those when they pop up. I hope that helped. Free guided meditation in the description, my friend.